Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Capslock Key act as delete or Ctrl key in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Dual Key Remap. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see Dual Key Remap.zip. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. You just double click it to extract this zip file. You just open the extracted folder. You just double click on this Dual Key Remap. Now you can see on the taskbar tray menu, can see the application has started. So if you want to configure or customize it, then just click on this config file. Now you can see here by default the caps lock key on the first list, and second when alone will act as a escape key. So here I'll just add a delete. So once you're done, click on file, click on save. Now just right mouse click on this Dual Key Remap icon and click on this reload config. Now you can close this window. Now let me open a notepad. Now let me type something. So everything tutorials. So let me select it. Now if I press a cap lock key on my computer keyboard, you can see it's acting as a delete key. Now if I press caps lock and any other key together, then it will act as a control key. So by using this application named as Dual Key Remap, you can easily make caps lock key act as delete or control key in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.